Yo, what's up everybody? It's TEKTHRILL, and we're back again with another video. Now, I'm sure you guys have heard the buzz. AI is everywhere, and it seems like every day there's a new article about robots taking over. The robots are coming, and they're taking our jobs. Well, not all of them, but these 5 professions are already feeling the heat. So today, we're diving deep into 5 jobs that AI is already replacing. We're gonna break down exactly how it's happening and, more importantly, what it means for the future of work. Stick around to the end, because we're also going to talk about how you can stay ahead of the curve and make sure AI works for you, not against you. Could yours be next?
Okay, let's be honest. Nobody really enjoys getting calls from telemarketers, right? It's always a bit jarring when you're in the middle of something and an unknown number pops up. But what if I told you that those calls might soon be a thing of the past? AI-powered call systems are changing the game. These systems can dial numbers, deliver pre-recorded messages, and even answer basic questions, all without any human intervention. And the crazy part is, they can do it at a scale that's impossible for humans to match. This means companies can reach more potential customers at a fraction of the cost. So, while nobody's really going to miss those telemarketing calls, it does mean that people who rely on those jobs will need to adapt.
Now let's talk about a job that's near and dear to my heart, or at least it used to be. We're talking about retail cashiers. Remember when you'd go to the store, grab your stuff, and head to the checkout